TST, a solutions company. In this video, we're going to cover interference check for molds. So interference check is a process where we can look over the tool and see where any two pieces of solids are interfering together very quickly and easily. So when I go to the mold drop down, we have a command called check interferences and body interferences. When I go into the body interferences tab, I can come over here and pick the bodies that I want to check interferences on. You can pick the whole mold or a portion of the mold. As I select the mold, it's going to process all of the interferences in the complete tool. The easiest way to view these interferences are to switch the Visual Manager to the Hidden Zoom area. Once you're in the Hidden Zoom area, I like to use the attributes and visibility to hide the main body so I can see the pieces that are interfering. So these are plugs right here that may have been imported from an online service. Since they're not VISI plugs with threads on them, it shows as interfering, which seems to be okay on this tool. We'll move on to the next interference in the list. Once I go to the next interference in the list, I can see that these rest buttons are clearly interfering somehow with this clamp plate. So I'm going to go to a different view and take a better look at these. Now I can see that these rest buttons are actually set down into the clamp plate, meaning my ejection is off location. This could be a serious problem for the tool that may have been missed at some point during the tool build. So we need to make sure that we find things like this very quickly and easily. The next thing on the list is going to be the interference 3. Now interference 3 is showing the pin plate and the ejector plate. There is a possibility that somebody could have forgot to subtract these screws. I can clearly see there's screws in here. Now, if I view just the pin plate, I can see that clearly they forgot those screws. This is another quick and easy process to be able to see if somebody has missed subtracting something out, such as screws. So this ejector plate here, you can clearly see there's still a sheet body left on this. So someone moved things around and forgot to subtract them again or recavity them. These are things that you can find quickly and easily without having to get it down to the floor to realize they've been missed. The designers can take care of this stuff right up front. Thank you for watching.